What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy E-Pang. What's happening, man? But this video should have been about the freaking front splitter installation, but long story short, I was trying to make another video for y'all. I was trying to install the starlights in my headliner. So as you guys know, I have a 2012 Nissan Maxima, and I was trying to do that by myself. That whole process just got me just irritated and irritable. I just did not want to do it no more, so I was like, forget it. It was just great. It was just heckin' irritating. But I save that for another video once I actually do get them installed. So yeah. I just tell y'all what happened then. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. Stay updated. So I know I ain't dropping videos as much as I used to, but shoot, I'm trying. I'm new to this. I'm still new to this. Shoot, it's hard trying to make content. YouTuber is not easy, especially if you got other stuff that you doing. Yeah, but I mean, hey man, no excuses. You gotta do what you gotta do. Don't mind my bed. I'm washing my sheets, so I don't think I just sleep with no sheets on my bed. But I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all the B-roll of my front lip. It's actually supposed to be. I actually have another front lip coming. So y'all about to. I'm about to show y'all the B-roll for my front splitter now. But my next front splitter, I'm gonna have it up under that, and I'm gonna have my strut rods connected to that. So it's gonna be dope. Stay tuned. I know I'm talking too much, give it away. So I'm gonna just. All right, y'all. So after I was recording, then my phone died. So like I was saying, this is the front lip. This side is flush, but this side isn't. This is the finished product. Only reason why this side isn't flush is because this is the accident side. This is the side where this whole fender got messed up, just like that. Like I was showing y'all with the side skirt. So all I really have to do is just take these bolts out, put this inside of here, and then just screw them back through. And then I'll be able to push this on top, and then I'll probably put another screw right here. But as far as the installation, as far as the front splitter, it's looking good to my liking. I like it. It already came black. That's what I like about it. Some of them comes with white, or it's kind of like that tan feeling, that tan color. And some people have to prime it and do all that other stuff to it, and then repaint it to make it be black to fit their car, or white, or whatever it is. But this actually came with a two-piece splitter. This one came first. There's another splitter that comes on the bottom of this, and then I'm gonna connect it to with my strut rods. I'm gonna just connect my strut rods right here or on top, and then connect to the splitter. And then that's really it. It already came with 4 screws. I put one right here, one on the other side, and then I put another one right here, and then another one on the other side, just so it can hold up. And it's been holding up pretty good. The only bad thing about this splitter is that this part, it's a tight fit. It doesn't come perfectly fitted. So you really just have to stretch this from that corner to all the way to the other corner. But it's cool. It's cool, I guess. So I made it work. I know I need a car wash. Don't look at the car. Look at the splitter. Even though the splitter dirty too. But try not to look at the dirty parts in the splitter. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. Shoot, I'm gonna end up doing another video on this later on. Once my second splitter comes, I'm gonna do the strut rods, connect the strut rods. And then yeah, so y'all just gotta stay tuned for it and be ready. Push that post notification, that bell, you know what I'm saying? Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know something. So, like, comment, subscribe, share. Bro, and comment, bro, I'm gonna bring y'all another video of a full walk around of my Maxima. And y'all can't say that my Maxima is not the hardest Maxima y'all have ever seen. Shit, I ain't bluffing either. But I mean, it is what it is, you dig? Haters gonna hate. So in the meantime, between time, holla at your boy. I'll see you in a minute. What's up, YouTube? We back. So y'all seen the B-roll, well, not a B-roll, but just a video of me talking about the splitter. I got the second one's coming, plus the strut rods. We're going crazy. I got the hardest 2012 Nissan Maxima. Now, if you got the hardest 2013 Nissan Maxima, that's straight. But shoot, for 2012, nobody touching me. Nobody touching me at all. Don't mind my hair. I know I need to get re-hit. Yeah, I know I need to get re-hit. Don't worry about all that, though. Shoot, and I need to re-dye it, too. It was turquoise. Now it's the actual regular color bleach. I mean, the actual regular color. Bleach is not no regular color, but bleach turns stuff white or tan. And that's what this is. Like a tannish goldish. It's cool. I'm just rocking with it for right now until I get re-hit. Then once I get re-hit, I'm gonna get it re-dyed. And yeah, we're gonna go with that. But I'm also recently on a car shop, like a car shopping spree. I don't know. I'm just car shopping right now. I'm getting me a new whip, bro. I'm thinking about going to Mopar. I want me a little scatty. Not just any scatty. I don't care about that 2021 scat. Don't care about it. Well, I want the Daytona 392. I got it. I gotta have it. The plus package. I got to have it. It's just something about that Daytona, bro. It goes nuts. It goes crazy. I've driven a regular scat. I've driven a new 2021 scat. Bro, it ain't no comparison about that Daytona, because the Daytona 392, the plus package already, the regular package, the Daytona 392, it already comes with more stuff than a scat. It already comes with that extra in a scat, because it's just that Daytona. You know what I mean? But shoot, not the plus package though. I don't think many of y'all seen the plus package. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I mean, I've been in a lot of cars, scats, Chargers and Challengers. They don't even make Daytona Challengers. Shoot, that's substituted with the 1320 or the TA 392. Shoot, I mean, even that, they go crazy too. But shoot, I want me a 4-door. I wouldn't mind having a Chally. I mean, I'm just messing with the 4-doors more, because I have a lot of friends. And I know I go to a lot of car meets with a lot of friends, so anybody trying to want to be crammed up in the back of a muscle car, they want to, I mean, well, they going to be glued to their seat anyway, so it really don't even matter. But I'm still look out for them, look out for my peeps, especially family too, because I'm going to keep this car. I'm going to keep that car forever. I ain't selling it. I ain't doing nothing. I'm going to just mod it up to my liking. I'm going to wrap it sooner or later. I'm about to wrap this Maxima sooner or later. I'm speaking too much. Yeah, I need to shut up. Boom. Shut up. But anyway, I'm on a car shopping spree right now. Let me know what to get. I know hella people got scats and stuff. Y'all probably don't want to see a scat on the channel. But I mean, I just love Daytonas, bro. I just love Daytonas. But I love Daytona 392s. It's either a Daytona 392, a 1320, if you can find one, if you can find a 1320, or a TA 392. Even with that, all three of them cars is rare. Daytona 392, 1320, especially 1320, and the TA 392. You're not going to find those cars a lot. You're going to see a regular scat pack. That's it. Regular scat pack. With the freaking B on the side. That's it. 1320 says 1320 and has a B. But it also has that demon setup. That's what makes that so valuable. But I ain't gonna go too far into that. Shoot, it was really just that quick little preview about the front splitter, because I didn't show y'all the installation. So forgive me. But hey, just jot down in the comments. Let me know what y'all want me to get. Y'all want me to get a Vet? Y'all want me to get a Camaro? Bro, what? What you want me to get? You want me to get a Mustang? I'm not getting no Mustang. I'm not getting no Mustang. I'm cool. I'm straight off Mustangs. Nah, I'm cool. It's really either Mopar or no car, really. So it's either Mopar or I'm sticking with this. Yeah, I'm just being real. We'll just keep it 100. But I ain't gonna take up too much of your time. I'm glad y'all watching it. For those that made it this far in the video, I appreciate y'all. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe button. And yeah, y'all have a blessed day or blessed night, wonderful night. If you're on a different state watching me and y'all on a different time zone, have a blessed morning, blessed day, blessed night. As always, for anybody who's watching it. Don't forget that God loves y'all, and just do you. Don't try to impress nobody else. You feel me? This your boy E-Pain. I want to sing, and we out this beast. Oh.